Now we're going to be taking a look at how to add the NFDRS 2016 fuel models and associated breakpoints to the WIMS station catalog for a particular station. This is a critical component of the NFDRS 2016 rollout, as WIMS is the operational system that produces the daily values. We need to get these in here and get them functioning correctly so we can get those daily operational values as we move forward using this system. So I've already have a station selected. I've gone to the ENFDR screen. I haven't set it up yet, but we're basically going to go to ENFDR and hit go. Let's edit NFDRS parameters. I've already entered my station number in there, and I'll hit find. Also critical to this, as you might have seen in a previous video, you're coming into this already knowing what stations you've selected in your FDOP, what fuel models and indices you're going to use, and so forth. All you needed to have done is obtained 90th and 97th percentile breakpoints or similar for BLM to get to this process at this point. So hopefully you've gathered that information from your FDOP and you're basically just implementing it. So in this situation, I'm going to be implementing a burning index and an ERC for the Y model for this station, which I've extracted. I'm simply going to set those two up as Ys right there. Make them active right now ahead of time. Let's see, I'm going to stick with, I talked about doing a ERC and a burning index. Got that. I'm going to stick with 6 decision classes. It's not crucially important unless you're using the staffing level and the adjective rating information directly out of WIMS. But it's something we can learn more about. And these 90s and 97s I'm entering, this is just it's the value you enter in to tell you what this number means. The number next to this will be the 90th percentile value. Again, so I've already obtained these. Go ahead and enter them in. 39 was our 90th percentile value for ERC. 47 was a 97th. Got this written down. For BI, it was 28, and then 33. So critical that you have all these filled in across here, that you have something selected, you have a decision class set. You shouldn't have to touch the rest of this, and just make sure you have the correct station, the correct model, fuel model set up over here, and these are activated. And if we hit save from this point, it came through green. Notice the message, NFDRS parameters, GSI, etc. have all been accepted and set. If I were to now go in to look at the indices and the observations, you would see NFDRS 16 observations. That would be another instructional segment. So once again, all this is doing is getting us set up to actually have the operational numbers come out of WIMS for the NFDRS 16 fuel models, which we've just input.